Hey guys, Ryan and Kelsey here.
We have the all-new Ryobi Speed Bench. This is not even released yet, and we are going to walk all through it with you guys on unboxing, how to assemble, and give our honest review on it. This is the owner's manual that it comes with, and it has written instructions in here, but we just saw that there's a QR code on the front.
Pretty freaking cool.
That has like step-by-step video instructions. So we're going to watch that. So if you unbox this and need help installing, scan that.
That is very helpful because I am a picture person. I need to see this
Ryan's got the mind of a 5-year-old, so. I'm just kidding.
You gave me credit. I was going to say
Sorry,
3.
4.
I was going to say 3-year-old. But...
Oh yeah, look at that.
Cool. There's like a YouTube video. It takes you straight to a YouTube
Yeah,
video.
I mean, well, it has like the instructions on there and then.
Okay.
Don't go to this YouTube video though. Watch
our YouTube video. That's not. All right, cool. So yeah, so he has it unboxed like we did. And so we're going to get going. Let's see how this is. All right, for this, you don't need many tools. You need a crescent wrench, a couple sockets, a ratchet.
What'd you call me?
A ratchet, and then just a regular wrench and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. There you go. And then you don't want to tighten these all the way yet. If you tighten these too much, then you will never be able to get the next part done. So just put them on finger tight and you're good. So this part is the very tight. So what we did was, if you look over here, we just added a bolt onto this to support the weight off the ground so that it can hang there freely. Now you want to add these spacers on this side.
This is the part that you kind of have to
really mess with it to get it in there.
But
if you don't drop it, you'll be good. There she goes. Now pull that bolt out. Sweet.
Do the same thing?
Yep, same thing. Stick that bolt. Now a little bit more, Right there. All right, so you see this little gap right here? That's the part that's gonna be a little challenging to fit this through. So you kind of like have to have some muscles.
And like pull the frame.
Yeah, pull the frame towards you.
What do you want me to do?
Hold the bolt and stuff there, yeah.
Oh!
There we go.
You get it?
We cannot lose this now. Here, spin it righty-tighty.
Is that how screws work?
Yep.
It's like not.
All right, let me get over there.
It's jammed.
Let me get over there. Okay, let me get over there. I'll see how jammed it is.
It's going now. I unjammed it.
Oh, okay. All right, so there we got it. As you can see, maybe you want 2 people.
For this part.
For this little part, just because you need one person pulling it, because this needs to be tight with these spacers. That's why they have it built like this. So once you get past that part, it is
smooth sailing.
Smooth.
All right, it's all built. It was actually really, really easy to build, don't you think?
There's only one part that's a little tough, but once you get past that, it's good. It's such an easy thing to build.
But we're gonna show you how it works. It's obviously in the cart/dolly format now, and we're gonna go through some of our favorite features and everything like that. So to change it from cart to table, there's this button right down on the bottom here. You just click it, and then it goes into table form. And then same way to put it back into a cart, you just click and push, and there you go. One of the cool things about this table is if you're familiar with Ryobi tools at all, they have a link storage system, and the table is link compatible. It comes with these 2 rails here, and it comes with this bin too that you can just stick right on the side and store like screws and stuff inside of it here. But another really cool part about it is if you have other link compatible things, we'll show you in a second, you can also put them on here.
So for example, if you want this little handy dandy vacuum.
It's a wet dry vac that goes on our link wall. And then it also can slide right onto the table. So you can have that there and
yeah, so whatever tool, whatever you're sanding something or cutting something, That's gonna be awesome for that. So another cool thing we noticed is it has a metric and standard measuring system on it, which is pretty handy, so you don't have to bring your tape measure out every single time. And also, all the edges have nothing in the way, so if you want to clamp something on, a board to work on, sand or
on all
anything,
4 sides.
Yeah, on all 4 sides, it's empty, so you can clamp it.
There's protractor lines on here as well too, if you need help with angles. And then there is a no drill section because that's where the metal bars are underneath, but it shows you on top, so you're not gonna like drill through it because you can mount your miter saw to it. Just obviously not in the no drill areas. So the weight capacity of this is insane. So when it's in table form, it can hold 300 pounds. No, we can't.
Yeah.
And when it's in cart form, it can carry 400 pounds, which is insane. So it's really, really heavy duty. So we shared this table on our TikTok and Instagram, and it went mega viral. And one of the main comments was that the skid plate was kind of in the way when you're working here, or like people were saying they might trip over it. It is easily detachable without tools. It just has these little like screw tabs on it. You take that off. So you can just pull the skid plate off and use it like that if you want, or if you're storing it in your truck bed, you can take that off and store it like this and then easily put it back on without any tools. So, all right, that is it for the Ryobi Speed Bench. It is a really, really cool product. We will link it down in the caption as soon as it's available for you guys to buy. But I think everyone should own one of these, whether you're a DIYer, you're in construction, you're a crafter, you can use it for tailgating. Someone on our social media even said a massage table. There are so many uses for this. I think Ryobi knocked it out of the park.
Yeah,
what do you
I
think?
agree. Yep, easy to assemble. It's useful in so many different ways. I love it. We're going to make good use out of this.
So we'll link it down below for you as soon as we can. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow, of course.
Yes.